Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and my dear respected teachers and subscribers. So today may I introduce my lovely daughter Asma Ahmadullah Qureshi from Canada. How are you, Asma beta?
Good.
Okay. And which grade do you study in school?
Fourth grade.
Oh wow, mashallah, very good. Okay, Asma beta, please, would you like to tell me which color do you like to see and wear?
Quran.
Okay, good. And what's your favorite dish?
Chicken masala.
Chicken masala. Wow, very good. And the last question, which subject do you like to read and study in school? Okay, Asma beta, would you like to tell me which subject do you like to study in your school?
Math.
Oh, wow, very good. Okay, all right. And before start your lesson, okay, are you ready to read or recite dua? Let's start. Start with the tasmiyah, tawuz and tasmiyah. Now read. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
رب اشرح لي
ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني.
Okay, mashallah, very good. And tell me one thing more. Can you see this page?
Yes.
This is the shortest surah of the Holy Quran, Surah Kauser. It has one raku and 3 verses. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now read.
إنا أعطيناك الكوثر.
Okay, this is the inna, and you must make gunna on nun mushadda. And this is the short mad over there. This is short mad. And this is the madde or munfasil here because hamza letter is appearing in another letter. This is the hamza zabar a will connect with the ain sakina because the ain has a jazm sign over there. And you will read a. And this is a heavy letter to. To zabar to will connect with ya. Toy. This is the ya lean letter. And nun has a standing zabar over there. You will stretch a little bit. And this kaf will connect with the lam sakina kal. And this is the kaf zabar wa qaw. This is the waw lean here. And this is the ya lean. Both letters, okay, both letters coming in the same verse. Ya madda and waw madda both are lean letters. Sa zabar, sa or zabar ra, sa ra, but you will stop at the end of the verse. And you will read thar. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Okay, now read second verse.
فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ.
Mashallah, very good. This is the fa zabar fa and this is the sad zabar sa. It is a heavy letter, sad. Okay, we'll connect with the lam mushadda with zir. Fa sal li. And this is the lam li. It is the beginning shape of a lam. And this is the ra zabar ra. It is a heavy letter at this time because ra has a zabar at the top. Okay, so ra zabar ra will connect with the ra. Ba mushadda with zir. Rabbi. This is the kaf zabar ka. Li rabbika. This is the wa zabar noon. One. And ha zabar ra har. One har. This is the, okay, this is the hamzatul wasl here. One har. Now read last verse.
إِنَّ شَانِئَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ.
Yes. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Okay. You must make guna on noon because the noon has a tashdid sign with the zabar. Okay. Inna. To take sound into your nose for a moment, it's called a nasalization. Shani'aka huwal abtar. and this is the hafish who wa zabar wa will connect with the lam sakina wal, and this is the hamza zabar ba ab. This hamza zabar a will connect with the ba because the ba has a jazm sign over there, and this is the kalkala letters. Okay, ba is a kalkala letter. There were 5 kalkala letters utubu jaddin, so the ba is one of them. You make a kalkala here. Ab, you will read with echo sound. Huwal abtar, huwal abtar. This is the waqf tam here, and end of the word sign and raku sign over there. MashaAllah, this is the Asma Ahmadullah Qureshi from Canada. And beta, would you like to tell me one thing more? Okay, this is the first kalma. Okay, first kalma, pehla kalma tayyib. Tayyib meaning pak. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, this is the first kalma. This is the first kalma, and it has two parts, right? The first part belong to Tawheed. Okay, Tawheed. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. And this is the second part of this kalma. It belong to Risalat, Muhammadur Rasulullah. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now read.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
MashaAllah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, and you will read illallahu with the tafkhim. And what is the meaning of tafkhim? Boldly, heavily, strongly you will read this letter, because there is a zabar before isme jalalat. You will read boldly, heavily. Illallahu. Repeat after me. La ilaha illallahu.
La ilaha illallah
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
MashaAllah. Now I am going to read Urdu translation, and then you will read English. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. अल्लाह अज़्वजल के सिवा कोई इबादत के लायक नहीं, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के रसूल हैं. Now read English translation.
There is no God but Allah.
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam
is the messenger of Allah.
Yes, mashallah, very good, mashallah. This is Asma Ahmadullah Qureshi, mashallah, from Canada. So thank you very much, Asma, and please call your brother Ibrahim.
Okay.